If you could move at the speed of light, would it seem like the trip was instant? Okay, I'm going to give you an answer that people don't like. We don't know, and the question is not particularly answerable to begin with. This is the space-time globe made by Minute Physics, and it does a great job of showing how relativity works. Your perspective is always the middle line, and the speed of light is always these 45-degree angles. Now, you can stretch and squish this to make anything your perspective. So in this case, you see that red cat there? You could stretch it so that that red cat lied on the middle line. And then this blue guy here would go off in that direction, extended through time. We could essentially see, when the cat is our perspective, what the blue guy looks like moving through time at a certain speed of light, how it is dilated. And vice versa. That's the thing with relativity. All frames of reference are equal. So if the cat is moving close to the speed of light and the dude's standing still, it's basically equivalent. Now, here's the kicker. No matter how much you stretch and squish this thing, you will never have light going at a 45-degree angle and light going up at a straight line in the center at the same time. You can't have the perspective of a photon because you can't travel at the speed of light. So your question of what would it be like if we were traveling at the speed of light is an unanswerable question. That being said, you could see that as something goes faster and faster toward the speed of light, it gets closer and closer to this angle, which would dilate time more and more until eventually we could only see maybe one of these blue guys. They would all stretch off the map. So yeah, it tends toward that direction. It tends toward, quote-unquote, time stopping. But just because it tends that way doesn't mean that's actually what would happen. Because again, we can't ever know. It is a physical impossibility.